Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to disable the Windows minimize and maximize animation on your computer. So whenever you open or close a window, normally it'll animate it as it's opening up. So if I open up File Explorer here and you see me minimize it, you see it briefly goes across the screen when it's minimizing, and then when it goes up, depending on how fast your computer is, it might be a little bit more visually appealing, but just to give you guys an idea, that's what we're looking at. So if you want to just make these windows hide or appear immediately after selecting it, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu, and you want to type in control panel. Once you search for that, you want to go underneath best match, which should say control panel. Left click on that one time to open it up. So now you want to go underneath System and Security, and if your view by is set to category, you want to make sure it's up to that. It could be large or small icons, you want to set it to category. Again, System and Security. Once you have done that, you want to go and left click on System right here. And then you want to left click on Advanced System Settings on the left side here. Now you want to go and left click on the settings button in the performance area where it says visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. Left click on settings. Now it doesn't really matter what your option is up here, but you just want to uncheck where it says animate windows when minimizing and maximizing. So uncheck that. Left click on apply and OK to save the change. And then if you close out of here, and let's say we wanted to minimize this window, you see it doesn't do any of the scrolling action that we saw before. So definitely a nice little trick there. So I hope I was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.